Highs in the lower 80s.
Wait a minute.
South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
SPC.
Showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight. Then a chance of showers with a slight chance of
Flood
thunderstorms
warning for
after
Ashland
midnight.
County.
Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds and large hail until midnight. Lows in the lower 60s.
Is he recording? I hope so.
Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour, becoming west after midnight. 70%. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Cooler with lows around 50. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast for the lower Susquehanna Valley. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Tuesday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 70s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy, 50% chance of showers. Lows around 60. Thursday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. The 14-day outlook to Thursday, June 11th calls for near normal temperatures and below normal precipitation. Normal high temperatures across central Pennsylvania during this period range from the low 70s over the Allegheny Mountains to the upper 70s across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Normal lows range from the upper 40s over the Alleghenies to the upper 50s across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Here are the 1 p.m. conditions.
Delaware. Oh god, Delaware. Oh god, where's the Columbus station? Where's the Columbus station? Oh, here it is.
Delaware, Ohio?
Yes, it's a Columbus station.
Tonight, west winds 5 to 15 knots. Mostly clear. Waves 2 feet or less. Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 15 knots.
Here we go.
Getting my radio ready. That's okay.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Delaware County until 3:45 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1 to 2 inches possible in the next hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Sunbury, Galena, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Alum Creek State Park, Lewis Center and Olive Green. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southwestern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, east central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Freeport, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour.
Oh, crap.
Source: radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines.
It's gonna be a double header.
Power outages. Locations impacted include Cadiz, Wintersville, Hopeville, Seo, Jewett, Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Northern Starr County in northeastern Ohio, Southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Akron, Kenton, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Alliance, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, North Canton, Street, Borough, Louisville, Ligador, Hartsville, Garrettsville, Manaway, and Stowe. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, and Summit.
What?
It's you! Oh god,
No,
where is it? Where is it? Harrisburg, come on.
For the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin.
That's not on me.
The National Weather Service and State College
I forgot that that statement is a sentient
thunderstorm warning for Central Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, East Central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Kingstown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Carlisle, Lower Allen, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Lingelstown, Enola, Lemoyne, Paxtonia, Schlusser, Skyline View, Williamsburg, Pembroke, Marysville, Shiremanstown, Duncanyon, Elizabethville, and West Fairview. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 225 to 236. Interstate 81 from mile markers 49 to 76. Interstate 83 from mile markers 49 to 50. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Colonial Park, Harrisburg, Urgent Care, Family Practice Enola, Geisinger Holy Spirit, and Rite Aid. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, and Perry.
Not
Service in State
for
College,
me.
Pennsylvania.
Hey, CT, your station still caught a SVR though.
Yeah, but that in my county.
It's got to be affecting your county soon, dude. I'm telling you that much.
This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Colonial Park, Harrisburg, Urgent Care, Family Practice Enola,
Geisinger
Holy
issued
Spirit,
for
and Rite
Adams,
Aid.
Cumberland, and York,
Prepare immediately
Pennsylvania.
for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek
No, that wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Sorry.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. At 1:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aspers, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour, gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Boiling Springs, Dillsburg, Lake Mead, Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, New Kingstown, Cashtown, Aspers, Siddonsburg, Hoagstown, Pine Grove Furnace, Wurtsville, Beaglerville, Arendsville, York Springs, Heidlersburg, Bendersville, and Franklintown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 226 to 239. Interstate 81 for mile markers 46 to 58. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, and York.
What the bloody hell?
Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for service in
just a forecast discussion.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Garrettsville, or 10 miles northeast of Ravenna, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Cortland, Newton Falls, Lordstown, Garrettsville, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, West Farmington, Bristolville, Levicksburg, Mecca, Wyndham, Johnston, Wayland, South Canal, Turnpike Interchange, and Champion Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Trumbull.
Shoot. Oh my god. Okay. Alright.
The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 200.
There goes Mikey's radios. We got him, boys! We got him!
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dehart Dam, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Mount Carmel, Shenandoah, Minersville, Frackville, St. Clair, Culpmont, Ashland, Valley View, Lycums, Tremont,
Wait,
Gerardville,
It
Marshallton,
did say
Williamstown, Tower City, Lavelle, Marlin, Altamont,
it's in
Englewood, and Forestville. This includes Interstate 81 between mile markers 93 and 97, and from mile markers 101 to 127. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Geisinger Kopmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lebanon, Northumberland, and Schuylkill.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Central Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Central Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania until 2:45
What did I tell you, Mikey?
The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, East Central Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was... National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 234, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 234 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York.
Alright, what do you need?
So, is it all of my county or what?
It's most definitely going to be in effect for all the county.
Yeah!
If it'll freaking load. What's that? Oh, Orange, New York.
Oh. What
Thunder
next?
Radio 1, catch it. Oh, what is that? Okay, yep. It's confirmed.
What next? That freaking tornado watch?
No, it's a confirmation message of an SBA.
I want a tornado watch now.
Yeah, you're just flat out greedy.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Wellsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact.
What's that? Oh, cancels portage, okay. Whew.
Locations impacted include East Liverpool, East Palestine, Wellsville, Calcutta, Oleoville, Midland,
Chester, Industry, New Cumberland, Shippingport, Salineville, Newell. This includes Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 42 and 44. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262.
Freaking phone overheating.
National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
Okay, that's not what I was expecting. That's 2 consecutive SVRs for Carroll and Columbiana.
What's that beyond me? Hey, even fucking chat.
What?
Look in chat.
In chat?
Yeah.
Oh. Well then.
Look how much.
Jeez, that's covering like a lot of ground there. It even got a little piece of New Jersey.
There's gonna be more.
I'm gonna let my OBS just to make sure I don't get alerts. I already know I might not get alerts, but you never know.
Yeah.
Like yesterday in a.
Dude, I meant okay. Hey, the SVR was on fucking IAM. What you don't see though is the fucking tornado yesterday.
Yeah, you got the freaking message on your TV.
It's not even in a storm burst.
Yeah, I was in a storm list yesterday. I just got tornado. I'm like, what?
Are you in a storm burst today?
No, Mikey, I'm not in a storm list. I'm just opening up just in case though.
That could happen again.
Yeah.
Mikey, don't go too down.
Oh god. No. I get it.
Adam?
Locations
Yes,
impacted
Adam.
include Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Boiling Springs, Dillsburg, Lake Mead, Mount Holly
Lake
Springs,
Mead.
Shireman. The National Weather Service in St. College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carroll Valley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hanover, Gettysburg, Hampton, Littlestown, Carroll Valley, McFerrystown, Lake Mead, Bonneville, New Oxford, East Berlin, Lake Heritage, Ortena, Abbottstown, Heidlersburg, Hunterstown, Fairfield, Maidstown, Two Taverns, Gettysburg National Military Park and Liberty Mountain Resort. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Adams County, Virginia, and Wellspun Health. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
Yep.
Hold on.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating,
This is
a
a
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties:
Oh, this is what you
Adams,
call-
Pennsylvania.
The weather of a life. Have you been waiting for this kind of severe weather?
What?
Dauphin, and Lebanon counties until 3:15 p.m.
Another
At
FDR, Mikey.
2:43 p.m., Doppler radar in.
Yeah, not for me though.
I'm catching it no matter what.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, east-central Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dillsburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Steelton, Lemoyne, Hummelstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, Lawton, Valley Green, and Boiling Springs. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 233 to 258. Interstate 81 from mile markers 68 to 81. Interstate 83 from mile markers 30 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Colonial Park, Harrisburg Urgent Care, Eastside Campus, Geisinger Holy Spirit, Hershey Medical Center, and UPMC Pinnacle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, and
My
York.
eye.
Your eye.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was an SVR.
Look, it's 80% now.
Oh.
That- It went from 40 to 80.
Ooh.
That's well, it's coming, Mikey.
Yeah.
Oh.
Gee.
crap, man.
Hey, don't brag. You've always said to yourself, "Oh, I want severe weather. Oh, I want severe weather. Oh, I want severe weather."
I
You got your
know,
wish.
but look at the temperature, though.
I know, 87.
That's good, though. That's good. That's a good key for thunderstorms.
It's 86 degrees now.
Oh, jeez. The atmosphere is really getting ready to throw in some punches.
Maybe a tornado warning? I mean, what?
Yeah, I can see a TOA maybe.
I thought that
No,
was going to be a TOA, to be honest.
Kevin,
What?
you know how it's say 80% now, right?
Yeah?
It's 50%.
What?
So it went from 80 to 50 again.
The, chance of rain?
Yes. What the
I think your weather is just saying, you know what? We haven't decided what the actual temperature, the actual percentage is going to be. We're just going to randomize it.
Hazardous weather
What?
outlook.
CTP.
CTP.
This is just going bonkers right now. And Dakota, you're not helping. Shut up. Come on. Activate. Thank you.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and east central Ohio.
Oh my god, what now? Uh-oh. Wait, that's which station is it? I think it's Columbus. Yep, got it.
So you have 2 alerts going on right now, Kevin?
Wow, this is just crazy.
Some power outages.
Holy crap.
Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Carrollton, The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monroe County, Knox County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Centerburg, or 14 miles
Okay, just
southwest
an
of
expiration
Mount
message,
Vernon,
okay.
moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gandier, Centerburg, Danville, Sparta, Gann, and North Liberty.
Goodness,
Now
this is
for
just
the
getting
official
crazy,
National Weather
guys.
Service forecast for Central Ohio.
Holy cow.
What's next? Jeez.
I got an SVR on 2 different stations at the exact same time.
You're getting alerts like crazy. Jeez.
This is just insane.
Oh my god. I'm just trying to freaking edit the compilation as it already is, but yet I have more alerts coming in.
Flooded roads. Most flood deaths after midnight. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Schuylkill County in Central Pennsylvania, Central Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Pottsville, Tamaqua, Scoopville Haven, Minersville, Cornwall, Myerstown, St. Clair, Owensburg, Pleasant Hill, Sand Hill, McAdoo, Lebanon South, Pine Grove, Cleona, Port Carbon, Avon, Richland, Fredericksburg, and Hometown. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 78 from mile markers 1 to 8.
I got you, Mikey.
Interstate 81 between mile markers 90 and 105, and from mile markers 128 to 137. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Guy Center Orwigsburg, Guy Center St. Luke's Hospital, Good Samaritan Hospital, Lebanon, Virginia Medical Center, Lehigh Valley Health Network, May Express Urgent Care, Wellspring Health, and West Penn Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lebanon and Schuylkill.
As soon as I in the bathroom, an SVR has to be issued.
Yeah. Actually, as soon as you took your headset off and said that you had to use the restroom, right as you took your headset off, I saw a special weather statement for your county saying that strong thunderstorms will be coming in. And then 1 minute later, a freaking SBR for your county.
Like, what the piss?
Literally.
I just had to piss. Couldn't you wait until I was finished, you piece of shit? God damn.
Yeah, that's funny.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, and Hancock County
Holy
in
crap.
West Virginia until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Cumberland, or near East Liverpool, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages.
Locations impacted include East Liverpool, Alacrippa, Monica, Wellsville, Economy, Ambridge, Toronto, Beaver, Calcutta, Baden, Rochester, Ovieville. This includes Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 46. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio. This is NOAA Weather Radio.